Welcome back, motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we have something special for you, a close look at the highly anticipated 2024 BMW F900GS. Buckle up, because we're about to take you on a thrilling ride through all the features and innovations this adventure bike has to offer. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest motorcycles and gear. Let's get started. The 2024 BMW F900GS continues to impress with its striking design. The new LED headlight offers a larger low beam opening angle and thus better illumination directly in front of the motorcycle. Furthermore, the turn indicator and control lights of use LED technology, sharp lines, rugged bodywork, and slimmer give it an unmistakable presence on the road or off it. Under the hood, or should I say, beneath the fairings, we find the heart of this beast, a potent 895 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. With 105 horsepower and 68 lb-ft of torque, this bike is more than capable of tackling any terrain you throw at it. The smooth power delivery and crisp throttle response make it a joy to ride, whether you're navigating city streets or conquering rugged trails. The F900GS comes equipped with a suite of electronic rider aids, including multiple riding modes, traction control, and ABS. These features ensure that the bike adapts to your riding style and provides maximum safety in varying conditions. When it comes to off-road capability, the F900GS shines. Thanks to its long travel suspension and capable chassis, this bike offers superb handling on dirt roads and trails. Whether you're an experienced off-road rider or just getting started, you'll appreciate the confidence-inspiring ride this bike provides. Long-distance touring is a breeze on the F900GS, thanks to its comfortable and adjustable seat, as well as a well-thought-out riding position. The ergonomics are spot on, allowing you to spend hours in the saddle without fatigue. And for those who like to venture far from civilization, the bike offers plenty of storage options, including hard panniers. In conclusion, the 2024 BMW F900GS is a versatile adventure bike that combines style, power, and off-road prowess. Whether you're exploring the open road or venturing into the wilderness, this motorcycle has you covered. It's a true testament to BMW's commitment to quality and innovation. Thanks for joining us on this adventure with the 2024 BMW F900GS. If you enjoyed this review, please give us a thumbs up, leave your comments and questions below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting motorcycle content. Until next time, ride safe and ride free.